Hey guys! Product of the week, syempre, ang ating E3, okay? E3 means energy, endurance, electrolytes, okay? So kung mahilig ka sa energy drinks, you better change to Live Good E3, guys. Napaka-powerful, napaka-delicious. It's so affordable, only $18. And I buy something like this in the grocery store. It cost me about $54 to $60, guys. This one is so effective. So if you don't like the taste of, regular coffee, this one is better because this is cherry, a little cherry or berry flavor, guys. Magugustuhan mo talaga. This is so good. So, ano-ano yung nandito, guys? Nakikita natin yan. We have the B6, B12, magnesium, chromium, potassium, sodium, Himalayan salt